Vegetables come in countless shapes and forms, and over time, they've adapted to meet the needs of different climates, people, and tastes. Many of these varieties have been passed down through generations, from our grandparents to us, and while some may be familiar, others remain lesser known. The most important thing is that we explore them, even if their appearance seems strange at first. So, here are 15 of the weirdest vegetables your grandparents grew that you definitely need to try planting. Number 15, Salsify. The oyster root salsify, often referred to as oyster root, might not win any beauty contests, but it holds a surprising secret: its flavor. This unassuming root vegetable offers a unique oyster-like taste that is both mild and nutty. It's often found in heirloom gardens, where it was cherished for its versatility in the kitchen. Salsify shines in dishes like soups, stews, and roasted vegetables. Number 14, Yardlong Beans. Yardlong beans, also known as asparagus beans, are a fascinating vegetable due to their length, often growing to an impressive 3 feet or more. These beans have a slightly nutty flavor that sets them apart from typical green beans. Their texture is tender yet firm, and they hold up well when stir-fried or grilled. In older gardens, they were a prized crop, especially in warmer climates. Number 13, Cherokee Purple tomatoes. The Cherokee Purple tomato is an heirloom variety that has captured the hearts of many gardeners and food enthusiasts. Its deep purple color is unlike the typical red tomato, making it a beautiful addition to any garden. Beyond its appearance, the Cherokee Purple offers a rich, almost smoky flavor that has been described as sweet with a slightly tangy undertone. These tomatoes are perfect for fresh salads, sandwiches, or just eaten straight from the vine as a garden snack. Number 12, ground cherries. Ground cherries are small, golden fruits encased in paper-like husks that hide their deliciously sweet and fresh flesh. Often compared to a cross between pineapple and tomato, these tiny fruits pack a punch of flavor in each bite. Ground cherries were once common in home gardens, where they were grown both for their flavor and their ability to store well. These fruits are perfect for making pies, jams, and even savory sauces. Number 11, walking stick kale. Imagine a variety of kale that grows so tall its stalks can be used as actual walking sticks. Walking stick kale is a remarkable plant known for its towering, sturdy stems, which can reach impressive heights. Historically, this unique kale was prized not only for its culinary value, but also for its practical applications. Its large, tender leaves offer a mild, slightly earthy flavor that shines in soups, sautés, or even raw salads. Number 10, Cucamelons. Cucamelons, also known as mouse melons, are small cucumber-like fruits that resemble tiny watermelons due to their striped skin. They are bursting with a tangy, refreshing flavor that's similar to cucumbers, but with a little extra zing. These miniature fruits were once a staple in gardens, especially in regions with warm climates. Cucamelons are perfect for pickling, adding to fresh salads, or snacking on straight from the garden. Number 9, black radishes. Black radishes stand out with their dark, rough skin and intense, spicy flavor. Compared to the more common red radishes, black radishes offer a much bolder taste, with a distinct peppery kick. Historically grown in older gardens, these radishes were cherished for their versatility, adding a spicy crunch to roasted dishes, salads, or pickles. Number 8, skirret. Skirret is a white, sweet root vegetable that has a long history in gardens across Europe. It is often described as a cross between parsnips and carrots with a mild, sweet flavor that makes it perfect for a variety of dishes. The root's natural sweetness makes it ideal for boiling, mashing, or incorporating into soups and stews. Number 7, Celeriac. This time, we're not talking about the crunchy stalks of celery, but focusing on its knobby, flavorful root. Celeriac shines in soups, stews, and mashed dishes, where it adds a mild, savory depth. It can also be roasted to bring out its natural sweetness, or sliced thin and enjoyed raw in salads for a refreshing crunch. If you've cooked with celeriac before, share your favorite recipe. This underappreciated root vegetable deserves more love in today's kitchens. Number 6. Moon and Stars Watermelon. Forget about the typical striped watermelons you find in supermarkets. The Moon and Stars watermelon is an heirloom variety like no other. Its deep green skin is dotted with bright yellow spots, mimicking a night sky filled with stars, creating a truly mesmerizing appearance. But this watermelon isn't just a visual delight. Its flesh is sweet, crisp, and incredibly refreshing. An essential summer fruit that offers a perfect balance of sugar and hydration. Number 5. Crookneck Squash. Crookneck Squash is easily recognizable by its curved neck, which gives it its distinctive name. This summer squash has smooth, creamy flesh that is mildly sweet and slightly nutty in flavor. It is a versatile vegetable that can be roasted, sautéed, or added to soups for a comforting, rich dish. Its delicate skin and tender flesh make it easy to cook with, and it pairs well with a variety of seasonings and herbs. Number 4. Cardoon. Cardoon is a vegetable with a surprisingly delicate and flavorful taste. The stalks have a unique blend of celery and artichoke flavor, making them a popular ingredient in Mediterranean cuisine. Cardoon was widely grown in older gardens, especially in climates where it could thrive. The stalks are typically boiled or steamed and can be added to savory dishes or served as a side dish. Cardoon can be prepared in many ways, including braised, grilled, or used in soups and stews. Number 3. Pink Banana Squash. Pink banana squash is a long, banana-shaped squash with pale pink skin and sweet orange flesh. It's known for its smooth, velvety texture, which makes it perfect for roasting, mashing, or adding to soups. The flavor is sweet and rich with a slight nuttiness that pairs beautifully with savory ingredients. This squash was often grown in older gardens, where its ability to store well made it a valuable crop during the colder months. Number 2. Stinging nettles. Though not your typical vegetable, stinging nettles are wild greens that often grow unnoticed in gardens. Handle them carefully as their tiny hairs can sting, but don't let that deter you. Once cooked, their sting vanishes, revealing a mild spinach-like flavor that's both delicious and versatile. Packed with nutrients, nettles were once a staple in traditional home gardens, valued for their health benefits and culinary uses. Number 1. Fennel. This weird, fuzzy vegetable is a culinary gem celebrated for its sweet, licorice-like flavor. The crisp, mild bulb is perfect for salads, while the feathery fronds pack a stronger aromatic punch. Fennel can be enjoyed raw, roasted with olive oil, or sautéed as a side dish. It pairs wonderfully with citrus and other fresh vegetables, adding a twist to any recipe. A staple in older gardens, fennel has earned its place as a favorite for its versatility and distinctive taste.